Hey, hello guys. So this is my next video lecture on Java super keyword. So in the previous lecture what we learned that how to use the super keyword to access the instance variable with the parent class such that the name of the same instance variable exists in the child class. Now we are going to access the method in the uh, parent class with from the child class. Okay, and in this case the name of the method in the parent class as well as the child class is same. So we need to see how do we we can easily call the method from within the body of the child class of those methods which are there within the child class. But how do we call a method which is there in the parent class? Okay, and its name is similar to that in the child class. So let us see. Suppose we have a class called cat. So we have a function within it, say void eat, and which prints out eating. Now we have another class called kitten which extends the class cat. Okay, and we have a function with same name, that is void eat, and it prints out drinking milk. And then we have another class called void uh, cry, which prints out crying. Okay, so now we have a function called void display, from which we will be using the super keyword, that is we use super.eat function, and then below it we use cry function. How do we invoke it? So we have a syntax within the void main, that is kitten space k equals to new kitten, and we invoke the display method within the kitten class, that is by k.display. Okay, so what will be the output? So first we used super dot. Okay, so we used a function called eat, and from within the child class and within the display method in the child class we are using super.eat. So it will access the eat function or the eat method of the cat class, that is it will display eating first, and then we are trying to call the next function, that is meow, that is cry, from the child class within the display method, which will print crying. Okay, 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 yeah. So this was an example of how to use super keyword to access the functions of the parent class in case of inheritance whenever there is method overriding. Okay, the last one will be how to use super class to use the parent class constructor, and yeah, and then after that we have some small examples. Okay, so let me first. Okay, yeah, thank you.